Canola oil is one of the most widely used edible oils in the world, known for its light taste, high smoke point, and heart-healthy properties. But behind every bottle of canola oil is an impressive journey that begins in vast golden fields and ends in high-tech processing plants. This video takes you inside the entire process of how canola oil is made in massive quantities from farming to extraction. The production of canola oil is a fascinating blend of agriculture and engineering. It all starts with the tiny black seeds of the canola plant, which are rich in oil and harvested in enormous volumes. These seeds go through a carefully controlled process that includes harvesting, cleaning, pressing, and refining to produce a clear, usable oil. In this journey, we'll explore not just the machines and methods used, but also the science behind oil extraction, the sustainability of canola farming, and the innovation driving it all forward. Canola is predominantly grown in cool, temperate climates, where it thrives during long summer days. Major producers include Canada, the United States, Australia, and parts of Europe. In North America, sprawling farms stretch across the prairies of Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba. These fertile lands provide the ideal conditions for canola crops to flourish: well-drained soil, reliable rainfall, and modern infrastructure. From small family farms to large commercial operations, canola farming is a major driver of rural growth, employment, and export revenue. It's more than a crop, it's a cornerstone of agricultural success. Air seeders or precision planters place the seeds at just the right depth, typically about 1 to 2 centimeters beneath the soil surface. This encourages uniform germination and strong early growth. Planting usually takes place in early spring, with farmers racing against time to get their seeds in the ground during the optimal weather window. Once planted, canola goes through several distinct growth phases. Then, the bolting phase begins, where a central flower stalk grows rapidly upward. During the flowering stage, the fields turn a vibrant yellow as thousands of flowers bloom across acres of land. When the moisture content in the seeds drops to the ideal level, it's time for the next big step: harvest. Harvesting canola is a race against the clock and the weather. These machines can cover hundreds of acres in a single day. Inside the combine, seeds are separated from the chaff and pods using a rotating drum and sieves. The harvested seeds are then stored in massive grain tanks on the machine before being offloaded into transport trucks or trailers. Farmers use drones, moisture sensors, and real-time data systems to optimize their harvest timing and reduce losses. It's not just about brute force, it's about using intelligence to capture every last seed. These journeys are managed by fleets of trucks and trailers designed for high-capacity hauling. The seeds go through a series of machines that remove dust, chaff, stones, and other foreign materials. This step ensures that only clean, uniform seeds make it to the extraction line, which directly impacts oil yield and purity. Every stage is automated for efficiency and precision, setting the stage for oil extraction on a massive industrial scale. The solvent is later removed through heating, ensuring a safe, edible product. This creates a clear, odorless, and stable oil. After refining, the oil is cooled, filtered, and tested for quality assurance. It's then bottled in various packaging formats, from small kitchen-size bottles to industrial drums, depending on the end use. From factory to grocery store shelves, this oil is now ready for use in cooking, frying, baking, and more. In kitchens around the world, it's used for frying, salad dressings, baking, and more due to its light flavor and high smoke point. Beyond cooking, canola oil is a key ingredient in margarine, snack foods, and even some non-food products like lubricants, biofuels, and biodegradable plastics. Its clean burning properties make it valuable in both culinary and industrial applications. The global demand for canola oil continues to grow, driven by its nutritional value and versatility. From fast food chains to gourmet restaurants, this oil plays a vital role in modern diets and sustainable product development. Canola farming is becoming more sustainable thanks to advances in seed genetics, precision agriculture, and soil management. Energy-efficient machines, water recycling systems, and waste repurposing practices such as turning leftover seed meal into animal feed help make canola oil production more eco-friendly. Efforts are ongoing to improve yield while minimizing environmental impact. As climate concerns grow, the canola industry continues to innovate to ensure a sustainable future for both farming communities and global consumers. Canola oil production is a shining example of how modern agriculture and industry work together to meet global food needs. From the vast fields of canola to the spotless corridors of oil refineries, each step is a triumph of planning, technology, and hard work. The integration of GPS-guided tractors, AI-powered harvesters, and automated oil refineries shows how farming has evolved from tradition to innovation. It's not just about growing crops, it's about optimizing every part of the journey from seed to shelf. As we look toward the future, expect even more breakthroughs in sustainable farming, climate-smart crops, and high-efficiency processing. Canola oil may be a common item in your kitchen, but its story is anything but ordinary.
Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon. Write your suggestions into comment box. Stay tuned for more amazing content.